Local coverage continues at noon. Dr. William Husel back in court today. Coming up, the argument from his attorneys on why more than 24 murders. Also ahead.
I just like to vote in person. I just know it's going to be there and I can guarantee it. And like I said, it's too important to leave it up to the mail.
Less than 2 weeks now until the official voting day, but it hasn't stopped record number of voters from casting their ballots early. Plus, Columbus firefighters are investigating what caused an explosion on the south side this morning. This is NBC4 Midday.
Local for you. NBC4 Midday starts now.
Attorneys for a former Mount Carmel doctor are raising concerns ahead of a high-profile murder trial. Thank you for joining us for NBC4 Midday. I'm Audrey Hassan. Dr. William Husel is accused of ordering excessive doses of pain medicine for several dozen patients. Now his defense team wants to throw out his murder charges. NBC4's Catherine Ross has an update on what happened today in court.
Well, Husel's legal team came out swinging this morning, even calling the state's conduct in this case unconscionable. Ultimately, the court decided to table that motion to dismiss for right now. Now, earlier yesterday, the defense filed that brief claiming prosecutors intentionally misled a grand jury. Husel is charged with 25 counts of murder, accused of ordering excessive and potentially deadly doses of pain medication fentanyl for more than 24 patients. He has pleaded not guilty to all of those charges. His attorneys claim medical records prove some of the dosages are not actually lethal. They say the state even knew that, but did not inform the grand jury. The prosecution is entitled to 14 days to file a response. And because state law also requires the court to notify victims' families about proceedings, they also could not discuss the motion in detail today.
The state has to object on behalf of the victims who we haven't been able to notify if we're going to go beyond setting dates to respond to motions, or if we're going to go beyond any matters into issues of substance.
We are extremely displeased that the state is not willing to address these issues head on. Certainly as fast as they were willing to proceed with the investigation, they should be equally interested in pursuing the truth.
And our team also talked to the prosecutor, Ron O'Brien, in more detail after today's hearing. They plan to have more on that later tonight. That motion will be brought up again during the next hearing. That's scheduled for November 23rd. Local for you in Columbus, Catherine Ross, NBC4.
Catherine, thank you. Dr. William Husel's career at Mount Carmel Health System goes back to 2013. The first patient who died from an excessive overdose was Sherry White in September of 2014. A formal report of concerns regarding Dr. Husel was not submitted until October of 2018. 2 more complaints were submitted in November, and the doctor was removed from patient care. Husel was fired in December 2018. In June 2019, the Franklin County prosecutor charged Husel with 25 counts of murder, and Husel pled not guilty. You can count on NBC4 for the latest on Dr. Husel's case on air and online at NBC4i.com. For breaking news alerts on the go, download the NBC4 News app. It's free in your app store.